Well. Some of my champions are under great stress. Some of you are really under a lot of tension, under pressure. Guys, I've been saying this in the class. Pressure will bring always the best out of you. So if you are under tension, if you are under pressure, it is the best thing to happen at this point of time. अरे अब प्रेशर नहीं होगा तो फिर हम क्या बने? टेंशन आना, प्रेशर आना, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है, आई एम रियली वरीड व्हाट विल हैपन, ये सब फालतू डिस्कशन पे टाइम वेस्ट मत करो. आपको मैंने रिस्पेक्टिव बैचेस में एक स्केड्यूल डेली बना के दिया था जिसमें आई टोल्ड यू कि यू कैन सिलेक्ट एग्जैक्ट which subject to study blah blah blah, but I told you that you have to come up with 4 sessions with half an hour gap, with 1.5 hour gap, and then again half an hour gap. I am not sure, but I'm super sure that all of you have followed that schedule religiously. We are starting our first prelim, as you know, somewhere from 15th of November. So the first prelim schedule is 15 November to 25th November, and that is why I have come today to address you guys. Number one, if you really want to make it in this inter CA attempt, it's of course going to start from 11th of Jan. So it's a long time to go. You will have to religiously appear for all the 3 prelim exams. By chance, if somebody's college exams are clashing, only they will be excused, but they also are supposed to come to the exam, to the center, respective center, and appear for the exam whenever they will be free from their so-called college exams. The first thing that you need to understand is you come to the exams, you feel the pressure, you feel the vibes, you come to know whether in the examination hall you're able to read properly and solve properly, interpret the questions properly. You also come to know whether you are prepared for particular chapter or not. You also come to know whether you are able to complete the paper or not. You also come to know whether you can copy properly or not. Appear for all the 3 papers. That's most important. I'm going to personally supervise things, so you'll hardly get a chance not to come for the exam, but then don't use your 7th sense and 8th sense, and then don't give me that bullshit that we are not prepared for the exam, so we did not come for the exam. You have got super time. So that bullshit I don't want to listen to. I just don't want to listen to that bullshit. No excuses. Well, after every prelim, smartly I've given you gap. Based on your performance, we will decide whether we need to conduct some revision lectures for a particular subject, for a particular topic or not. Even that I will keep on updating you. Like Himanshu sir is very clear that he wishes to solve the entire paper if possible, or discuss the entire paper. Now whether we will make you sit in the class same day or not, that we will come to know, or whether it will be through these videos. Like that, every professor will have different way of dealing with it. Plus you may have some difficulties, so that's why there is a gap. Now I am not talking about our 3 prelims, which is going to begin from 15th of November, and we are going to say tata bye bye to our prelims on 22nd of December. Here, though, I don't have to discuss as to how you're going to study. You'll have to study as per your subject, right? 15th, that means today is what, 10th or 11th. You'll have to study tomorrow for your accounts paper only, advanced accounts. Sir, advanced accounts 100 marks का पेपर है, उसमें से 70 marks are for subjects, subject wise, मतलब obviously the main question, and 30 marks for objective. Yes, you know that. Sir, when we will be given the time to read the paper, are we supposed to do that? I have warned you during foundation time also. Do not read the full paper. Do not go through the full paper. You can either go through those MCQ questions or pick up one particular question which you read it properly so that you know what to solve, how to solve, blah, blah, blah. Rewriting not allowed. You can select any question as first question, any question as second question. You just have to mention that properly. Avoid rewriting. Panic situation mein don't cancel what you have solved, resolve, compare the 2 answers and then decide which one is correct. Don't give that choice option to the paper checker. आपका पेन चलना चाहिए एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में. डोंट यूज योर ब्रेन्स. सर क्या बोल रहे हैं? जो सुन रहे हैं वो, यू डोंट हैव टू यूज योर ब्रेन्स ड्यूरिंग एग्जामिनेशन हॉल. You have to prepare yourself in such a way in next 2 months or so that you don't come across anything new in your main paper. And some application required from your end, something little different. A lot of changes are there. Then how to tackle it, how to face it is what I am going to train you in not just one prelim, but the 3 prelims that we are conducting. Sir, after 21st Jan, what are we going to do? Sir, what about our holiday, and what about the so-called picnic, or what about the so-called CA final lectures? Relax. हम 21st Jan के बाद में करते हैं. We will come back to what we will do after 22nd December. I will personally come to the class and explain it to you. If that is not possible for me for unavoidable reasons, then I will come up with one more video. I'll give the full schedule from 22nd December to 11th of Jan as to what you're going to do. Guys, I know you've been working hard, you've been studying hard. It's a quite hard time on you. You know, there were a lot of celebrations, Diwali celebration. All of you were studying religiously. Everybody was enjoying. Everybody was planning for some, tour. It's a hard time. I know. Bullshit. You knew it from day one that this is what you're going to face. You will have to study, number one, to make your own career. You'll have to study by looking at your parents. You will have to study honestly for us also. I do not want this time anyone to get negative result in inter. I want only ranks, and that too in possibly single digits. अगर आपको रैंक लाना था, आपको फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में पास होना था, आपको कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव मार्क्स सिक्योर करके पास होना था, आपका क्या मिनिमम बेयर स्टडीज होना चाहिए. Our material, study module, all past papers and prelim exams. I think CA एग्जाम में कोई इनफ कभी होता नहीं है, बट दैट इज गुड इनफ, for you to at least say that yes, I can and I will achieve the target that is expected. Guys, I actually know that you've been slogging. I actually know that some of you are tired. I actually know that I can express sympathy towards you. But you actually know that I am not going to have any sympathy towards you. Because I believe that if you see blood during peacetime, that is, you train yourself, you get hurt. Again, you train yourself, you get hurt. You train yourself, you get hurt. Then you are a very fantastic warrior. So, during peacetime, if you see the blood, during wartime, possibilities little less. I have no problem if you're struggling, if you're thinking it is too much, it is for much. So what? I want to clear inter CA, yaar. Most crucial exam of my CA journey. Or final, I have all the time in the world. And I really don't want to reopen all these books and again appear, boss. Nahi, I don't want to. So if you're studying in the midnight and you're tired, you ask yourself whether you want to start after 2 months from first page. That's how I used to blackmail myself. You know it. यार हाथ जोड़ के विनती करता हूँ, जो करना है वो करो, जैसे करना है करो, लेकिन परफॉर्मेंस चाहिए. I have all the expectations, big expectations from both the batches this time from Inter CA. You have been lovely as students with 1 or 2 incidents here and there. There was a great amount of commitment at your end also for a change. So let's do it. Yes, guys, all the best, and I'll keep on guiding you through this media. Bye.